Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Stripe to export tax documents for 1099's detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Stripe to export tax documents for 1099's, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the tax section. Select tax reporting from the submenu. In the tax reporting section, find the option for 1099's. Check if your account is set up for tax document generation. If not, ensure you have correctly provided information about your business and its tax identification details. Next, verify that you have enabled your customers to receive 1099 forms. Go to the account settings and scroll to Payouts. Now, return to the tax reporting section. Look for the option to download tax documents. Select the tax year for which you want to export the 1099 documents. After specifying the year, click on the Download button. Define any additional criteria you might need for your 1099 forms. Once you've customized your export settings, submit your request. The documents will begin processing, and you will receive a notification once they are ready. Check your email for the download link or return to the tax reporting section to retrieve them. Ensure you review the generated tax documents for accuracy. If any discrepancies arise, revisit the account settings to make necessary corrections. Keep a clear record of the downloaded 1099's for your business records. Finally, maintain updated information within Stripe to facilitate seamless future tax reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.